All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Welcome back to the YouTube. Today, I got a gorgeous 17.67 Powerstroke coming up for sale. This is an F250 XLT. Truck's been leveled out. It's got a set of rear airlift airbags. It's got some custom unique touches to it as well. The full list of upgrades will be directly on my website if you guys need to check that out. This truck will go through final detail. The truck is ready for sale. It'll be probably the next day or two before the ad's fully updated. Anyway, paint is in gorgeous shape. Absolutely zero rust on the truck itself. Body-wise, in really, really good shape as well. Black, a little harder to keep clean, but this one's clean. You got the, look at that, weed of people. That actually lights up at nighttime. That's a pretty freaking cool thing. First time I've ever seen one in an F250. Chromed out front end. Bumpers seem to be in really good shape. Again, the paint is gorgeous. A couple little small rock chips here and there. One here, one there, like a couple. That's something that we will touch up in the shop. So you guys won't see those little small touch-ups. But the rest of the body lines, you can see how reflective the black paint is. It seems to be all original. I didn't see any spots on the truck that seem like it's had paint work anywhere. Again, XLT truck, it does have some good power options. Power driver's seat. Again, airlift airbags. That's your controller right there to control the air in and out of them. I mean, it's a 6.7 Powerstroke. Stock emissions. It's currently stock emission truck. So if somebody that's looking to tune and delete one themselves, this is an ideal candidate. It does have an S&S Disaster Kit on it as well. The customers probably already knew about potential CP failures in these trucks, so they went ahead and did a disaster kit from S&S. That's your S&S kit. Engine base, super clean. Again, mechanically, amazing. I've drove this truck personally myself, about 89.42 miles an hour on the interstate, right here, Interstate 26. I was racing a cop and whooped his ass. Anyway, back seats, gorgeous shape. Big full understorage. You got factory floor mats, carpet underneath, still jet black. Whoever owned this truck definitely took good care of it. It doesn't look like 136. I think if you do a good solid polish job on this truck, I feel like this truck easily would shine up and be like a 9.4, a 9.5 for a 17. You guys can see how glossy the paint is. And I mean, just being honest, dude, I don't have good detailers. Like, I don't let my guys buff a black truck because they will make it worse. Overall, gorgeous though. This truck's priced right at $35,995. We ship nationwide. If you're out of state, we'll be more than happy to ship it right to your door. All you got to do is give us a call, 843-697-7501 for a quote. We are currently selling it with the camper shell. If it doesn't sell within the first 2 to 3 weeks for the camper shell, you guys probably won't see a new video, possibly, but it'll say in the description if the camper shell's been taken off. So sometimes I leave these on there when they look good, like it does on this truck. For some reason, if it doesn't sell in 2 to 3 weeks, so a lot of times it's because of like a basic camper shell. So, you know, it's very possible if you see this video, depending on when you're watching it, the camper shell may have already been removed. So make sure you reach out first to whether this truck still has a camper shell or not. Again, Mark, Deluxe Motorsports, right here, 2017 6.7 Powerstroke, 136,000 miles, now available for sale. Give us a call direct, 843-697-7501.